we're gonna have to take care of one of the more dangerous parts of this job, which is seeding in new paths. To do this, you have to find a road that's not too busy. Unfortunately, you can't avoid all the cars, but do this as safely as you can. You're gonna go about 40 miles an hour, so make sure that's under the speed limit. And then you're gonna stop to get those paths to dig in and seat themselves onto the rotor.
Here, I'm going to show you the first 3 passes I take. The first one takes a pretty long time to stop and feels a little squishy. On the second, looks like it's stopping a little bit better. I lose grip on the front driver's side. Finally, on the last pass, you'll notice that when I stop, a lot of smoke puffs up from the back. This means that all 4 rotors are biting and I'm good to bring it back.
As you look into the wheels, you can see that the rotors are now shiny silver. These did come painted, which I didn't like, but that's what seating is for. One thing to note while doing this is that you might feel a little shudder. That's fine as long as it goes away.
This is the last video in the project series. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I have, and take your cars for some drives. Get a couple miles on them and enjoy them while you still can. This is unfortunately my last video on this car for a while, as I've just gotten a new job. Thank you so much for all of your help, patience, and guidance, and I hope to see you all again very, very soon. Bye-bye.